What's up, guys? Welcome. I am your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole, aka I don't know who today. Like, I'm feeling this black mouth, these eyes, girl. I am feeling it. And girl, y'all see that mole, huh? Anyway, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, as I just said, and welcome to my channel. Today, guys, we're going to be unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. Yeah, this one has been one of my favorites for a while. So if you guys want to see what we got this month, stay tuned, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of these videos I have been pumping out for you guys thus far. Today, we're doing the Ipsy Glam bag. Before we go any further into that, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Today's drink, I'm still drinking on my same Moscato. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. We're now going to get the specs on the Glam bag, and then we're going to unbag it. So y'all ready? Let's go. For you guys that may not know, this is the Ipsy Glam bag. This one is $12 per month with free shipping. It is a beauty subscription. We're supposed to get 5. They give you sample size, deluxe size, with an occasional full-size product each month, and you do get to choose one item for your bag. I do have a link down below, guys, if you guys want to check it out. You know, no finger twisting or none of that. Whatever you want to do is your choice, boo. Absolutely. So now, without further ado, let's get this bag on and popping, boo. Y'all, I'm feeling these eyes. I'm telling you, it's the mouth, I think, for me. Girl, look at that. Look, girl, look how that light is hitting. Girl, y'all better know. Let me stop, y'all. Okay, let's open this up. We're just gonna pull everything right on out. Oh, we got a little product outside. Oh, and the bag is darling. Look at this bag, y'all. Gorgeous. And on the back, it says, "Your magic." I do love this bag. This may be like my favorite bag. And we do get a card each month, and it says "Your Magic" on the front with October 2020. And guess what, y'all? They gave us some products and descriptions on here, so that makes me smile. I wish they would do that for the Plus. I don't know why they stopped, but I need them to. So let's see what Ipsy gave us for this month. Let's start with the product outside of the bag. So this is the SL Miss Glam P40 Round Blusher Brush right here, and I love the color. Ooh, it's so TonyaNicole-esque, don't y'all think? Look at that. Nice soft bristles, beautiful little 2 little rhinestones right there. Handle is green. I absolutely love it. It does feel very soft and nice. We have received brushes like this in the past from Ipsy, which I'm not mad about it. This right here, guys, is a full size. Oh, duh, huh? And it retails for $18, my loves. And it just says a little tip here is to clean your brushes once a week and dry them upside down to keep the bacteria away. Okay, that's a great tip, actually. Okay, let's move on to our second product. Product number 2 is from The Balm, and this is the Will Powder Blush and Stamina. That's what it looks like right there, loves. And let's open her up. I do like The Balm's blushes. I don't know why I can't talk today. Okay, it's no mirror, but this is the shade right here. I am indeed loving that. I think this actually will look really good on my skin tone. So let's add a little bit to my cheek now. Just gonna take this little brush right here, get a little bit on there, as y'all can see. Now let's add a little bit. Okay. Oh, that shows up very pretty. I already had some blush down, guys, and you'll see I got a little highlight that's popping. But I do like this. I think it's really pretty. And like I said, guys, this is the Balm Cosmetics Willpower Blush in Stamina. And this is the deluxe size, guys. The full size retails for $25, but they have a lot of product in here, so you can use this for a while, actually. Cool. Next product is what this is. from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Okay, cool. That's what it looks like right there, guys. I've never seen Bobbi Brown in a subscription box, I don't think. Ipsy for sure I haven't. Okay, I do love Bobbi Brown's products. That's what it looks like when we open it up. It's just like this little cream inside. I am gonna swatch it. It doesn't really have a scent. It smells clean though. Rub it on the back of my hand. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see anything, but let me see exactly what this is used for. Let's see. So this is the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Vitamin Enriched Face Base. If you're like us and you spend extra time perfecting your beauty looks, you definitely want to make sure they stay flawless all day. This nourishing primer is okay, so this is a primer. So this nourishing primer is enriched with hydrating vitamin E, B, and C. Use it to keep your makeup looking smooth, fresh, and gorgeous. Dot it onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, and blend it out and follow with your makeup. Okay, I'm definitely going to use this. This is a deluxe sample size, guys, and the full size retails for $60. So I'm excited about this. I love primers and I love Bobbi Brown, so we're definitely going to use this one. Oh, let me take a drink on that. So the next product is from, oh, it looks like it's a little shadow palette. Let's see. I think this is the item that I chose, if I'm not mistaken. This is from Ozaya Beauty. I'm gonna put the name across the screen. This is the Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette right there. That's what that looks like, guys. Let's open her up. I think I did choose this. Ooh, that's pretty, pretty, pretty. I love the color story in here. Gorgeous. Let me swatch them and see. It's no mirror. They feel nice. Okay, so that's what they look like on my fingertips. That's just one swipe each. The shimmer shades are pigmented, but the matte shades are not as pigmented. They probably can be built up. And I do like this, y'all. Let's see what it says. Okay, so this is a full size. Oh, wow. Okay. And let's see. And it retails for $20, guys. So this is a full-size product, $20. I do wish they had a mirror, but y'all know how I am about mirrors. It's okay. We have one more product. Ooh, okay. Let's see what this is. Alrighty, so it is the Ofra highlighter in the shade Blissful, and this is definitely a full size. I do indeed love, love, love Ofra's highlighters. They are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they are, oh, look how I scratched it with my nail. They are simply beautiful, y'all. Look at that. That's a bad swatch, but that is gorgeous, beautiful. I love, love, love this highlighter. I'm gonna actually put a little bit on. Let's add a little bit to the nose area here. Ooh, and let's put some right above where we blushed at earlier on top of my other highlighter. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Ooh, girl, like I'm shining like a penny. Girl, all right. I do like this highlighter. This is very, very, very pretty. I'm so glad we got a full-size Ofra highlighter, and this retails for $38, guys. So, I mean, wow, we have 3 full-size products in the bag this month, and they pretty much pay for the bag triple almost. Wow. Okay, so guys, that was our final product in our Ipsy Glam bag. Let's do a recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Ofra this highlighter in Blissful, from SL Miss Glam this brush right here, from The Balm this Will Powder blush right here in Stamina, from I don't know how to say that word, guys, this Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. And last but not least, from Bobbi Brown, this Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So we received these 5 products for this month. All right, so final thoughts. Oh God, where do I start? I actually loved my bag, which I usually always do. To get 3 full-size products in a $12 bag is like mind-blowing to me. This one was $35. This is, I mean, it pays for the bag almost double, if not triple. This makes me happy. Also, the Bobbi Brown face base also makes me happy because I haven't tried this from Bobbi Brown yet, but if I like it, I will definitely pick it up. And then this blush that actually goes really well with my skin tone. What can I say? But I am like so pleased with this month's bag. October was definitely Ipsy's month. They came through for me, especially with the Glam bag. Y'all, I'm like really excited. These are all products that I can use. I'm happy. Oh my God. So guys, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it into the potion bottle. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. We're going to give Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. For it being a $12 bag, I'm going to give it a whopping 5. Yes, y'all, I enjoyed this bag. It's a lot of stuff that I can use and get a lot of use out of. And I'm very happy to get 3 full-size products in this bag. Ipsy is definitely winning this month. So yes. All right, guys. So if you have not done so already, make sure you check out Monday's video of the Ipsy Glam bag plus that I unboxed. I will put it somewhere up here. It will definitely be linked down below. Make sure you check that out so that you can see what I got. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on this bag. Let me know what you got in your bag. And if you're not subscribed to Ipsy, let me know if you plan on doing so. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button here. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, boo. So that's all that I have, my loves. I hope you guys enjoy your Wednesday. I am working, so this was pre-recorded. Yes, guys, so that's all that I have. Until next time, next video. Also, let me know if y'all feeling this makeup look today. Yes, boo, I am like giving all kind of goth queen vibes here. What y'all think? It's the lipstick for me, girl, and the eyes. Oh, girl. Anywho, until next time in the next video, I'll see you all in the comments and on Friday's video. I love you guys dearly. Bye, guys.